Guys, welcome back to new video. Today we will discuss the SQL question, which is the most asked question, or we can say the favorite one. If you have ever appeared for the data engineering interview or data analytics interview, this question will be there. But the favorite question. The problem statement is you have to find the number of records for the different joins like inner join, left join, right join, full join, and cross join. We'll see how this works actually. Let's understand how the inner join is going to work. For the inner join, what we'll get the common records between both the tables. So we'll consider this one as a left and this one as a right table. And let's see. 2 is going to compare with the 2 both present in both the end. Again, we have the duplicates record in the for the id equal to 2. It will again compare with the 2. Then we'll have the 4. 4 is present in the right table also, table 2. It will again match. So basically we will have the 3 records over here for the 5, 6, 5 is not present in the table 2. So we'll get the for the inner record we will get 3. Now here is the trick. We can check firstly we can check on the same thing on the SQL server. We have the same reports. Let's run the inner join query. Yeah, we are getting number of records equal to 3. Here is the trick. What we can do, we can have the like 3 in the inner records. For the left join, right join, and full join, we will have these 3 there. Whatever the 3 records we get in the inner join, we'll have all the records in the left join, right join, and full join. So we can just write down 3, 3, and 3. We'll have the few more records over here. We'll just write down equal to and yeah, that's it. Now let's see how we'll get the left join over here. For the left join, we'll use this one. Okay. For the left join, in the left join, what happened? We will get all the records from the left table as well as the match record from the table right table. So for the 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 4, we're getting the records as these are the matching records with the table 2. Along with that, we'll get this 5 also, we'll get this 6, we'll get again the 5 getting duplicated, and this again this one, null one. So we are getting 3 records from here. Along with that, we'll getting the 4 plus record. That is a 7 records. So if we go here, 3 plus 4, we'll get the 7 records. Let's check this on the SQL server. See, we are getting all the 4 records, 2, 2, 4. Along with that, we are getting the all the records from the left table. Let's move on to the right join. For the right join, what we will get? We'll get all the records matching in both the tables along with all the records present in from the right table which are not present in the left table. So 2 is going to match again with these two. These two will match with these two. So we'll get the 2 plus 4 is going to match with the 4. It is just only once. We'll have the 1. 7 is not there, 8 is not there, null and null. But still these two will be there. So we will have 4 more records. So how many records we have? 3 plus 4, that is 7. We can just add a 7. If you wanted to check, we can check these things on the SQL server again. See, you can see we are getting the 4 records. Now for the full joins, what we will get for the full joins, we'll get all the matching records from table A as well as table B. Along with that, we will get the records non-match record from table left table as well as from the right table. So what we can do here, in the match records, we'll getting the 3 these 3 records, that is 3, plus we will get these 4 records as well, that is 4, plus we will get these 4 records as well. So this is nothing but, if we check over here, we are getting 11 as a record. To check that one, we can check over here. We are getting 11 records over here. Now for the cross join, the formula is pretty much simple. What we can do for the cross join, delete this one. For the cross join is nothing but a Cartesian join. There is a trick to find out the number of records for the cross join. Calculate the number of records from T1 into number of records from T2. Here let's calculate the scenario. Here what we will have, here we have 3, 4, 7 records. 7 into, here we again have how many, 4, 5, 6 records. 7 into 6 will get the 42 records as a cross join. Yeah, that's it pretty much. So trick over here is, you have to always think about the null values, how the null is going to work, and how the inner join. If we are having the multiple records in table 2, just like we have the duplicate C for the ID equal to 2 and 5, then we have to add those many records. So always keeping in mind those few things is there. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for the watching video. Please do share, like, subscribe.